All right, so I lied. I said I was gonna wait for another day to do this video, but got a little anxious and a little motivated. So I prepped the surface to just let the 3M adhesive tape stick a little bit better to the backside of the carbon fiber. Scraped it up a little bit. I had some duct tape, or not duct tape, sanding paper in my detail supplies, and I couldn't find it, so I just used a wire brush, scraped it up real good, and cleaned up the area. So now I'm applying pressure, just make sure the tape is set and ready to install for tomorrow. Honestly, I think tomorrow will be a good day to install it. I'll see if my buddies are available. That way we can line it up and shit. We'll just go ahead and get her installed. Hopefully it's a hot sunny day. That way the glue would adhere to it and get everything situated. I got the cleaning pad, so we'll clean the surface of the car tomorrow. Honestly, I probably need to wash the car, but it is what it is. So anyway, I'm just doing this real quick, and then I'm for real gonna go to bed. I'm still thinking of an idea of what I can do to, cover this. Because when the trunk hatch opens, ain't nobody really gonna see it because no one's gonna sit there with the trunk open the whole time, but you can kind of look in there and see the unfinished material. But yeah, it's coming along pretty well. I mean, it's easy. Laying tape, you just clean it up, peel the red off of it, and you're good to go. So we'll see what happens. I know you're supposed to apply this in warmer temperatures. It's probably like 50 degrees outside here in Pasadena, but it is what it is. So we'll install this when it's hotter tomorrow. All right, here we are. Finished product. It's pretty sick. I just got the trunk open because of the overhang. While it's still sealing, there's still a little bit of pressure, but looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It's the look I was going for. So, it's not 100% perfect. You can see little gaps because I didn't run the seal all the way through. I may get some seam sealer later after these dry up, and then reseal it just a little bit better to reinforce it. But looks good. So shout out to my homie Timmy here at work. He helped me get that going. Shout out to the Bells and Vaughn guys for the idea, and then Jason, for some more help too, their industry experience, and we were actually able to get it installed. So it looks pretty decent.